Across desktop, mobile, and app testing, users consistently relied on zooming in on images as their primary way to examine fine visual details. However, if product images are blurry, pixelated, or lack detail, users can't fully assess the product's visual attributes. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 779 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings. Ensure all product images have sufficient resolution and level of zoom. In testing, users struggled to assess fine visual details when product images weren't sufficiently zoomable. Many, like this user on Zalando, wanted to zoom in on materials and fabrics. For some, the inability to feel the material visually was enough to make them abandon the product. In many cases, low-quality images are almost worse than having no images at all. Users expect to explore a product visually, but feel frustrated and disappointed when a larger image lacks clarity. As seen in this example, the inability to clearly view product details can directly lead to product and site abandonment. High-resolution images and adequate zoom enhance product appeal across desktop, mobile, and apps. Sites with consistently high-quality images create a more polished and professional experience, giving users the confidence to purchase after thoroughly visually inspecting the product. For instance, a user at All Saints zoomed in on a product image of a human model wearing hoop earrings and was impressed by the high photo quality, allowing her to see the small pearls lining the interior of the hoop. At Walgreens, this user easily read the product label details using a high-resolution zoomed image. The ability to zoom in on small text helps users access critical product information often found on labels. This user appreciated the feature callout image, which provided a close-up of the tabletop, and was even more impressed by the high zoom level, allowing for a detailed view. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your image gallery UI, including over 110 product page guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.